Hey, this is Jimmy from Zeepa. I want to talk to you about something that really bothers me, snoring abuse. It's a real thing. You hear me? Abuse. And it's abuse that's been going untouched for far too long. Guess what? I'm going to touch it. I'm going to touch it like crazy. Wake it up and make it a known thing here. Snoring abuse is not a victimless crime. You go ahead and you snore, you're hurting others because you're taking away from their very important thing called sleep. People need their sleep so that they can function, you hear me? There's millions of people that are snoring night after night and they're not doing anything about that. And if you're the one who's snoring, you need to stop snoring abuse now. Go to StopSnoringAbuse.com and get a Zeepa. That's StopSnoringAbuse.com. What about your children? They're not getting any sleep because you're snoring? Unacceptable. You need to stop snoring abuse now. Go to StopSnoringAbuse.com and get a Zeepa and stop snoring abuse today.